Welcome back to another episode from Whinnybank Cat Sanctuary. Here's Red Dot. Love her white moustache. She is feral and she's very clumsy. I guarantee if there's any dishes on the table she'll knock them flying. Yeah, like a ball in the china shop, aren't you? Such a lovely cat, aren't you? Enjoying the sun. The garden's looking lovely. Always let it overgrow a little bit because the cat's like hiding in the grass. We've got some tulips. The birds are singing. We'll go and see Ash and Sparkle, shall we? Haven't seen them for a while. There's Sparkles. And there's Ash. Oh, no close up. We haven't seen you for a while, have we? Some good news today that Choco and Storm's gone off to their new home. Obviously Sebastian found a new home earlier in the week. It's a shame that you're semi-feral, eh? It's a beautiful cat. I know. What you like, you're just a sook. I know. You want to climb up, don't you? Let's go and find some others. Here's Cheese Cat. Hello, Cheese Cat. Did everyone see the aurora Friday night? How good was it where you were? Please leave a comment. It was absolutely fantastic here, and I include a short video and some pictures. Right, today we're in St Andrews. This is one of the ways we earn funds, by having a street fair. Everything you see here has been donated to us. It's a lovely spot. Logie Lane. There's the old church. Glorious day. Not many people about at the moment. But we've got loads of soft toys. And we do sell a lot of books here, so we've got a couple of rows of books. And then we've got some bric-a-brac, costume jewellery, some bits and pieces. There's Aaron. Aaron helps out the sanctuary, mainly being a chauffeur for my mum Sue, his nan. And if you're interested, Aaron has got a YouTube channel, Adventures with Ralph, where he goes for walks out in the Scottish scenery. It's worth checking that out. He does some beautiful drone footage. Hopefully we get some funds today. Frankie's still with us, aren't you, Frankie? Oh, what on earth? What's all that noise about? As you know, Frankie's got some problems, some bad habits. But if you want to give him a home, please get in contact with Sue. Oh, it's like a grumpy noise, isn't it? Hey, Grumpy noise. You got sound like you got a sore throat. Oh, he's off. Are you off to? But you settled down now, haven't you, Frankie? Take a wee while. Oh, stretchies. That could be your carpet in the living room. Yes. Queenie's trying to cool down, aren't you, Queenie? Yeah. It's too hot for you, isn't it? Khan's still here. Aren't you, Khan? Yeah. You showing off? Yeah. You're not gonna like the smells on my hand. Right, you're here, aren't you? So, such a big boy. You calmed down a little bit as well, haven't you? You and George don't get on very well, do you? Yeah. Good job there's some wire netting in the way. Oh, Frankie. He's noisy, isn't he? God. Oh, that's because I disturbed him. Alright. Oh, sorry, did I wake you? Still here. Aren't you, Garfield? You always look so... You look so serious. Look at you with those big whiskers. And Pablo and Rocky's still here. Hey, aren't you? You still here? Haven't found your home yet. Yeah. Got to put up with your noisy neighbour. Hey, Rocco. Come on. We got behind this door. Oh, look. What a family. Look at this lot. Hello. Look at that face. There's Mummy in the back. Got some tortoise shells, a black and white one. Hello. Sorry if I woke you. Yeah, and this one around the corner. Another ginger. Oh, dear me. It's hard work being a kitten, isn't it? Yeah. Doesn't even wash himself. What a noise. Well, this family was from Methil, and they're covered in fleas, and we've got to get the mum done and she can go back, and they're almost ready for going, aren't you? Oh, you got to jump on there. You got to be a brave kitty. Go on, I'm going to get you because I don't trust you at all. There you go. Oh, well, as you imagine this one. Look at you. I know. What you like? Running around me. Hey. Say hello. Close up. I know, you want to say hello. You're so friendly. Look at that lot up there. You're down here. Oh, rolling over. I'm just going to tickle your tummy, and that'll be. Look at that. Okay. There's not a lot of room in here, I know. Keep you all safe. Yeah, I heard that you were tearing around this morning and made yourself so tired. Wagging your tail. What you like? Oh. You're just such a friendly tortie. Yeah. And you're purring away. You can see. Oh, chicken laughing at you. Yeah. Chickens just laid an egg. Yep, that's what they sound like when they lay an egg. Oh, like that. It was a lovely little turn that was. It's become a little tortie show, isn't it? Little tortie show. Everyone loves a little tortie kitten. Yeah, especially some almost fluffy, aren't you? Yeah, fluffy a bit. Let's go and see the others. Hello. The tortie's trying to climb my trouser leg now. Hey. Oh, come up. Right. She wants to come up. Go on it. Go and join your brothers. What a lovely family. And you're a good mum. I've got to leave you in peace. We can stay with you all day, can't we? Oh, careful. Don't launch yourself off there, please. You need to wash yourself. Hey. Well, Mum's gone down the hole and the kittens are thinking about going down the hole. Yeah. Here they come. There goes one. I see you. Come in. Yeah. Any more coming down? No, you just go wash yourselves. Yeah, we got rid of all those hitchhikers, haven't we? Yeah, you're quite a pal, Ginger, aren't you? Oh, I see you two. What, they're coming down? Else is coming down the tunnel. And do you want to go? And, yeah, I'll pick you up. You want to go with your brother? There you go. I might as well eat the food while you're there. Yeah, you are groomers, the whole lot of you, aren't you? A good wash. That one's even into the biscuits, aren't you? You liking the biscuits? I see, Toy. Whoa. Right, close up again. Oh, sorry. Right, I'll leave you to clean themselves. You're making yourself all blurry. You're getting that close. You missed a bit. Oh, get that bit on the back. Right, I'm going to leave you in peace. You're crunching the biscuits at your age. You're loving them, aren't you? You're just so up to no good, you two. Right, I don't think you want to see you doing the business. Right, we'll leave you in peace. Alright. See you, Mum. Right, goodbye then. Goodbye. Meow, are you raiding the Dreamy packet? Yeah. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And we will do more episodes in the future. And you won't miss a single one if you subscribe.